In this video, I just want to take you through how to use Folens Online and how to get access to the videos that are on there so that you can use them along with your textbook to practice your own freehand sketching at home. So if we look here, first of all, this is after you've signed in. So I presume at this stage, everybody has signed in okay to the Folens Online, and you should be able to log into this screen. So this is the screen you'll see right after you log in. Now you may not have as many books up here as this here. You probably just have the Discover Graphics book here, and that's all you'll need. So once you're logged in here, what you can do here is once you hover over the actual book itself, the Discover Graphics book, you will be given an option of the ebook or the resources. So we might just have a look at the ebook first of all here. If you click on the ebook, it'll bring you into an electronic version of that textbook that you already have. But just in case anybody doesn't have the textbook home with them, they can get all the entire textbook here in the ebook. Now the pages that we'll be working on today is these two pages here, page 286 and 287. Okay, so the last day you were working on page 284 and 285, and I asked you to do these exercises which most people have done and sent back to me, which is great, and some people done some very good exercise there, so well done. Okay, now on the next page here we're going to be dealing with isometric sketching and basically creating 3D images of models here. Okay, so the last day you were doing oblique, today you're doing isometric, and the basis of that is over here where we're looking at setting up our Y shape here like this and creating our lines parallel to each other. So keeping all lines going back at roughly a 30-degree angle if you can, and keeping them parallel to each other, and all vertical lines then remain vertical. So all other lines go back at 30 degrees and all vertical lines remain vertical. Now what you can do is there's videos of all this done on Folens Online. So each one of these objects here, or most of these objects, there's a video done on tips for sketching it and how to sketch it. That's why I wanted you to sign up for Folens Online. So if we come back out of the ebook, so there are the two pages I want you to work on anyway. If we come back out of that ebook back to the original screen where you logged in, and if you click hover over the Discover Graphics textbook and go to resources now on that, it'll bring you into a new screen here, and it will have a load of different resources here for different chapters in the book. Now we don't want to use all of these, so in this search bar here, if you just type in sketching, if you type in sketching there, okay, and search for sketching there, okay, it'll bring up all the sketching, the freehand sketching videos here that you need then. Okay, so you can see here the first video that you're going to have a look at here is this one here. So it's the basic techniques. That's the first video I want you to have a look at there. So you just open that video and that will bring you right into a video here that will play here on basic techniques of freehand sketching. Okay, so once you've gone through that video, I then want you to go on. You may need to search through different pages here, and you'll actually see the videos from the previous day of the objects that you've already sketched there. Okay, so they would have been helpful to you the last day, but you'll have them from now on. Okay, you can see there the pencil sharpener that you done the last day, but down here are the other shapes. So if we just go back to the Discover Graphics textbook here, these are the practice exercises that I want you to do. And here are the videos relating to them practice exercises here. Okay, so you have the letter block there, the Rubik's Cube, you have the skyscraper there, the juice bottle, and the box of chocolates there. Okay, so they are what I want you to sketch and try and render and color. So if we go back to the textbook here, what I want you to do is pages 286 and 287. All the exercises on them using the videos here from before. So you're going to be using the videos of these videos here, these videos there, okay, and then you on your first page there you will have another video there on the basic techniques for cubes. Okay, so you just have to go through them and pick them videos out for yourself. Okay, so just to go back here, just to quickly run through that again in case anyone just didn't get it there. This is our home page where you log in. Okay, if you want to get the ebook, you can click here, that'll bring you into the ebook. If you want to get the resources, click into resources to get the videos. Type in sketching and search, and then that will bring you down Okay, so this is the first video you'll need, is video basic techniques 3 for the cubes. And then as you work on, then you will go to your the different models that you need then. So the next one you will need then is the letter block. And if we go back to our textbook here, yeah, you need the Rubik's Cube and the cabinet. And if we work on here another bit, you will need the juice bottle, the skyscraper, and the box of chocolates. Okay, so they are all the videos that I want you to look at. They are the videos I want you to use. Have a look through that. If anybody's having difficulty getting logged on, please let me know. I want you to have this done by, if you can, I want you to have it done by Friday afternoon, we'll say Friday evening. Okay, so try and basically have the rest of the week to work through this and try and get this done here. Okay, so I hope everyone is getting on okay with that.